Hey Storm Nation, it's Sydney.
And I'm Blanche. We have a letter for you guys. Dear Lightning Girls, today we will be participating in the Face the Cookie contest as your video challenge. You will be seated in a chair, place one cookie at a time on top of your forehead, and without using your hands, you need to maneuver a cookie down your face so that you can catch it with your mouth. First to successfully do so wins. Good luck.
Thank you, Belle Touche Spa and Aveda for their sponsorship of this special Lightning Girl video challenge. Good luck. Ready?
Okay, should we put it on our head first and then count it down?
No, you just, as soon as you put it on our head, you just
No,
go.
yeah.
Okay. Let's go.
Okay.
Okay. Oh. No, not that one.
I don't know if I'm at a good angle for the camera to really catch this.
The magic. One more is coming down. Oh man, that was close.
Let's try the other side of the face, see if that works.
Almost. It's on my eye! It was like stuck in my eye.
You did good.
Okay.
Here. Do one more.